Welcome back. Welcome back to another under table review. You might see the camera a little bit different because I am using another phone. This is a Samsung Fan Edition because I found one very interesting thing is because this Xiaomi tablet 4 is without the 3G version. So if you want to play online game and outside, you will need to use your phone as a broadband. What about your phone no battery? And I found a stupid ideas. This is OTG cable, actually come from Samsung, from USB-C port, and we'll plug it here. And then I need a cable. And then I got an iPhone cable. Plug to this. And then I got an iPhone. This one. See? It's charging. What? It's charging. Yes! So you can use this. This stupid idea is you can use this to host your hotspot. Then use your table to charge it. Which means if this one is 6,000 mAh, this one is like 3,000 something. This is iPhone 7 Plus, and with a quick screen, well, there are 9,000. So, or is use to power your thing up. Make sure you early morning go out, charging it, make it full charge. The power is good more than enough for normal use for daily to run at least 24 hours. To me, if you keep playing games at 5-6 hours, maybe it's shortened. Well, I will find a day to try it, but not now. I'm got working. This is after lunch. Yeah, you can use your tablet to charge your phone. Okay, you can charge your iPhone, which means you can charge any other phone. Why don't we just try to charge Samsung SE? You got the tablet. I just found that one more stupid thing. I got a pad. I got a phone. Tablet charger. Yeah, it's silent mode, but it's charging. What? It's charging. Okay, I know it's stupid. Let me remind the PPAP. So I got a tablet. I got a phone. Tablet broadband. Well, I don't know what you think. Is it good ideas, or is this one it may hurt your phone? I don't know. I'm not professional on that. I just know they are working. And if you are professional on this battery thing, tablet to charge your phone, let me know what it will become. Will it damage your phone, or is it fine? You just find nothing different, continue use forever, or just harm your battery on tablet, whatever. Just tell me in the comment. Again, if you want to see any special that test on this Xiaomi tablet, let the comment below and I will find a way to test it. But no MMORPG anymore, and maybe not simulation, emulator, because emulator is not a good idea to run here. But I might try to run a Linux server here with some apps that built in from Android, or some tutorial how to use the Google Drive. But let me know what you want to see. Okay, subscribe my channel, help support a bit. I need 1,000 subscribers. This is my goal for this year. Support me a little bit. I will bring you more info, more story. See you tomorrow.